It's a rainy day in Brimfield. We don't care.
Go. Action.
We gotta hit these fields here, too.
Yeah.
What time is it, Dave?
9:13.
It's rainy, y'all. But we're gonna do this. It's our last day here.
There.
Sure. Because we gotta hit this end anyways. We're here in Brimfield. It's a soggy day. It's not too bad. It's not sprinkling now. It's not raining.
Very humid, but we're used to that.
So yeah, it's not bad for me. Anyways, it's our last day. It's been raining.
A shave.
Dave shaved. So we're gonna go check out some fields that we haven't seen, that we didn't get to see yesterday. And maybe we can get through this whole thing today, since it's our last day. So, say bye, Dave.
Take care of our feet.
Okay.
We'll see y'all later.
Look, they got a camera wall. So nice looking when it's all put together like that. This is a good idea. A turntable. 65, 85.
He's alright. It's Charlie.
Terrible. It's really terrible. I'm trying not to, but I am attached to both of them. Yeah. Anything you see, do better on the price.
Second fairy lamp we seen, $65.
Oh, I don't want to put no bills How are you today?
Good, I'm good. How are you?
Well, I'm here. I made it. Just got here.
Oh, you just got here?
Yeah. I just got here. I woke up at 4, then I woke up at 7:30, and then dilly-dally. I didn't know if I was coming or wasn't coming. So it's not gonna rain. So I said, okay. Anything you see, do better on the price.
This is how we row, y'all.
Wet.
Umbrellas in hand, baskets covered.
We just emptied the basket. 2 hours in?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
2 hours in, one field. Well, a bunch of little fields where the vendors weren't even open yet. And one big field, so we're going to pay to get into Mays Field now. So we'll see how that goes. That's supposed to be the field, so we'll see. We'll probably spend 2-3 hours there for sure.
Okay, let's go truck this rain. Got a mosquito on me.
Rain, go away.
All right.
Caption that. They bring all the sunshine in the rain.
I want some outfits like that.
So we get to Mays Field, and this was the much anticipated Mays Field, the one everyone waits for. It doesn't open until Thursday morning. The vendors are not even allowed to get there until early Thursday morning. And we get in and everything looks good. The first couple of rows are very busy. The vendors are out, shoppers are out, umbrellas, they're trying to cover up. And the first thing we notice is that some vendors in the back are starting to clear out. So that was a bad sign. But there were some cool things to see. First of all was a stack of phonograph horns. Very cool. He had about 20 to 25 sitting in the rain. The top was covered, but you could see the bottom of them. and those were very, very nice. They were all metal, different ones. The next one was a very nice library lamp with a Belova shade. The vendor wanted too much for my price, but it was very nice. Thirdly was a nice milk glass, but in the yellow color, about a liter tall. This guy wanted $700 for this thing, so I guess it was pretty rare. Too much for my blood. And second, I found this little black dog figurine whose face said it all, and it was just the fact that all the vendors were leaving very early, around 11:30, not even late into the show, and his face says it all. Why are these vendors leaving after I've paid $16? But there's more to see, some interesting things, and we hope to go again when the fields open with nicer weather. So we packed up as well, and we're heading to Philadelphia early to meet up with Scott of the Old Curiosity Shop. We cannot wait to get there.
And in the meantime, we'll be meeting Dee with Thrill Thrift and Vinny with Vintage Vinny. I hope you can follow us on our adventure with these guys and watch out for all of our videos. And as usual, please like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. And this is Tammy and Dave with Vintage Uprising, Texas. Thanks, y'all. Thanks for watching.